Okay, Blessing. So recording has started. You can go ahead, please.
Okay. Yeah. Hi. Today we are going to talk about how we are going to set up an account in ACG specific to Policy Center. So before getting into the account creation process, so let's know what ACG is all about, and then we can see what is the purpose of creating an account in Policy Center. So ACG is one of the club in North America. So ACG has clubs in several states in US, and the parent organization is called as a AAA, wherein it has number of clubs which covers across all the 50 states actually. And in ACG operates in maybe around in 10 to 11 different states. So the primary purpose of a AAA, right, it's a membership program. So by using the membership program, they can get loyalty discounts in hotels, in other museums, and also in the insurance world. So only if you are a member, you can able to take a policy in with AAA or with ACG. Okay, if you are not a member, you are not supposed to get a policy. So only AAA, anyone who has a AAA membership can able to get a policy. So the first point is right. There can be multiple scenarios. Let's assume I can be a AAA membership for I have a AAA membership for 2 to 3 years, but I may not own a policy with AAA. So I can just ask for a quote from auto insurance quote from AAA. So this can be one option. Second option is I may be a new member to AAA at the same time. Along with the membership, I want to take a quote and see whether I can buy a auto insurance or not. So these can be the different scenarios wherein a member could be a person could already own a AAA membership, but they need a new quote for auto insurance or home insurance, or in addition to the membership, the person can able to get a auto or a home insurance. So the basic thing is first you need to have an account set up, because under account you can have multiple policies. The home policy or auto policy, everything can be listed down. So that is the reason in Policy Center the first step is creation of account. So Ashish is with us. So he is going to give a walkthrough on how to create an account in Policy Center. Yeah, go ahead, Ashish.
Yeah, thank you very much, Blessing. So for account creation now, as I'm presenting my screen and we are on the home page, desktop page, and the top side we can see multiple options as a desktop, account, policy, contact, and search. So to create an account, basically we need to go to account tab. We have to click on drop down, and here are few existing accounts which we have created recently for our testing purpose. And then we have to click on new account in order to create an account. And then we have to give the basic information of the account holder person. So for that, we have the standard test data. That test data will be shared with you. So I'm opening my test data sheet where we have the personal information. So say for example, in this sheet, we can select anyone. So this one at the moment we are using. So for this person, I'm taking the first name, is Toma. Last name is Agnes. I have created already one account with this person, so I'm just adding one middle name, just not to duplicate the same person. So I'm just adding Donald C. Barnes. Okay. The date of birth, again, we get it from the standard test data sheet. It is in column T. It is February 28, 1973. Okay, and then we have to search if there is an existing account holder. So at the moment there is no one, since we have added this middle name with a C initial. Then if there is no existing account, we can create a new account as a person. Then all the fields marked with the red star, right, asterisk, are the mandatory ones which are primarily needed to be filled. So I'm adding here the gender, that is mandatory. Then work phone will become mandatory later, so we are giving it right away. The standard format is 3 digit as 3 digit. 4 digits. Then house number and street number, the address detail, we will again get it from the same sheet. So this is the house number, this is the street name. I'm taking it. City. County, state is Michigan. Address zip code. Okay, and organization and producer code are by default present since I have created one more account prior to this, so it is picking up automatically. Otherwise, the organization we have to select as T Auto Club Group, and producer code from the drop down we can select anyone. I have randomly selected the first one. The producer is nothing but the type of agent which actually produces or issues or creates a policy. So we have to select that, and then same will be selected at the time of policy creation. So now on this screen, all the mandatory information has been selected, has been filled. Then we have to click on standardize in order to validate the address if it is actually correct or not. So we have to click on standardize. Okay, then this address is actually present in the system. So we just have to select same. It is just like a double validation. We are already selecting data from the existing standard data sheet, but still we are standardizing it just to check if it is present in the system. Then we have to update it. Once it has been updated, the account number is getting generated by the system. You can see it here, 31830422826. This is the account number and its status is pending. Since there is no policy attached to this account, so at the moment this status is pending. Once we start and create policy with this account, then it will go into active status. So this is the standard process to create any account. And then in next video, we will see using this same account number, how to create a policy. Okay, thank you. Blessing, do you want to add anything, or we can stop this video, end this video?
Yeah. So just to summarize, right? Whenever we are creating an account, obviously when we perform a search, it returns the list of possible matches. So basically, in specific to ACG, right? They have a MDM system, which is a source of truth for accounts, and also certain accounts which are already existing in Guidewire Policy Center. For example, right? For the initial reason I told, right? Anyone who can be an existing member, but if they need a code, then we have to start with the account creation process. So during the time, if a person is already having a membership, then that information is available in the MDM system. They call it as IMDM. So whenever you try to create an account here, you do not want to re-enter the existing data. You can pull the data what is existing in MDM so that there is a reduce in effort in creating the account. So just want to highlight this because there can be scenarios wherein the membership can already exist for a person and they just want to come and start the code. So during the time, the account creation process is very simple because we need to start, we can start copying the data from the MDM. Yeah, that's
Okay.
all. Yeah.
Sure. Thank you. Thank you very much. I'm just ending this video.